morning to all of you. Today's online class is English grammar. Verb. Different forms of verb we are using today's video. Verb is a word which is very most important in a sentence. It tells an action. It tells something about some person or something. The verbs are different forms. Mainly four forms of verbs are there. The present form or V1 form, the past form or V2 form, the past participle form or V3 form, the present participle form or V1 ing form. One more time I will tell. There are four types of verbs. The present form or V1 form, the past form or V2 form, the past participle form or V3 form, and present participle form or V1 ing form. Simple present or V1. Simple present means what is happening at the present time. At the present time, at this moment, what is happening? That is a present verb that tells the present verb. In the simple present, we use yes along with the verb. Some actions and general truth, that is generally something is happening, that is a truth, always it happens, and some habitual actions. Habitual means some habits. Example, the stars shine at night. Every night the star will shine, so that is a habitual action. Every time it is happening, and it is a truth also. So the stars shine at a night. Girls go to school every day. Every day girls go to the school. That is a habitual action, or it is a truth that is happening. Girls go to school every day. It is a present tense. That is, every day it is happening. Now also it is happening. Girls go to school every day. For plural subject and I and you, we use only V1. For singular subject, we add yes or a es to V1. I will explain one time more. For plural subject, I and you, I go to the market, and plural, girls go to the school, and you also, you come here. Like that, plural I and you, we use V1. V1 is a present form of verb. But the subject is singular subject. We have to add yes or es to the verb. For example, moon shines at night. Shine is the verb. Moon is a single. But stars shine. Stars are a plural. Stars shine at night. Moon shines. Yes, also we added to the verb. Moon shines at night. Misha goes to school every day. Girls go to school every day. Girls is a plural. But here, Misha is a single girl, singular. Misha is a single girl. So what happens? Misha goes to school every day. Now, there are certain rules to add yes. So, you learned that with the present verb, we have to use, or we have to add yes with the verb singular subject. When the subject is singular, we have to add s or es with the verb. When the subject is plural or I and you, we have to use only the verb, present form of verb, that is V1. When it is a singular subject, we have to add s or es with the verb. Now, there are certain rules to add s or es. Whether which one we have to add to which verb, s or es. We have to add s or we have to add es. There are certain rules for that. We will do that. We will see that rules. Most verbs take s as an addition in the singular form. Example, clean, cleans, stop, stops, kill, kills, throw, throws. That is, most of the verbs you have to add s only with the singular subject. Make, makes, write, writes. There is only addition is a simple letter s. Verb ending in certain letters. Which are the letters? sh, ch, ss, x, o, etc. I will tell the words again. The words, the verb is an action word. The verb which is ending in the letters, particular letters. Which are the letters ending sh, ch, ss, x, o. There we have to add es at the end. For example, finish, finishes, finish, finish. What is the ending letters? sh. So we have to add es along with that. Finishes, finishes, finishes. This she finishes fast. She finishes fast. It is not that simply you add yes, but you have to add es. Other examples, pushes, push, push plus es, pushes. Catch, catch plus es, catches. Kiss, kiss plus es, kiss plus es, kisses. Does, do plus es, does, do plus es. Misha does the homework. Misha does the homework. Go, goes, go plus es, goes, go plus es, goes. So these are the certain words with the rules we have to add es. Then yes, we add with the verbs ending in vowel plus y. Vowel plus y. We add yes. Vowel a, e, I, o, u are the vowels. A, e, I, o, u are the vowels. The verb ending in vowel plus y. Vowel plus y. Example, place, place. Play, which is the vowel there? A plus y, vowel plus y. Play, play, we have to add yes. Play, plays. Plays. Like that, buy, buy. Buy. U is a vowel. Vowel plus y. Uy. Buy. We have to add yes. Buy. plus S, B-U-Y-S, buys, buys. But verb ending in consonants, that is, all the letters other than the vowels are consonants. We have to add a es, ies. We have to add a ies in the singular form. Ies. For example, cry, cry plus es, cry. Ry, r is a consonant, that is not a vowel, not a vowel. R plus y, cry, r plus y, it is cries in the singular form, cries, the child cries, 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 the child cries. Like that, flies, fly, fly plus es. L is a consonant, L plus y is a consonant plus y plus es. That is fly plus es. We have to add I also. That is flies, flies, flies. Another example is tries, try plus es, try. R is a consonant, r plus y plus es, try plus es. We have to add a I. That is try. We have to make it as tries, tries, tries. These are the rules to add s in the singular subject when we use the verb. The remaining part we will do in the next video. All of you see my videos completely and subscribe also.